How's everybody doing? Do you happen to own a 21 Trailblazer? And are you a fan of Wicked Warnings, the #1 source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment? You can see we got one pulled apart here. We're trying to do a 4-corner kit for FH Passion here in Chicago, Illinois. And we're into the tail light lenses. Now, I did look a little bit at the lenses in the hatch up there. Doesn't look like very much room in there at all. Gonna have to cut some metal to make room, etc. Don't want to do that. So what we did is we got the tail lights out over here on the bench. Let me take you over and show you. Alrighty, so right here on the bench, this is what the 2021 Chevy Trailblazer lights, these particular ones I got in my hands look like anyways. They're an incandescent turn signal, incandescent reverse, and in full LED tail brake. So around the back of the light, you've got some bulbs. You pull out of the way. We got a bulb already all stripped out, and where we're going to be doing the hideaway hole is right here. You can see I've got a couple of washers that I use to trace. This big washer is the total outer diameter of our hideaway. This little washer is the diameter of the hole that we're looking for. It helps me gauge, is it going to fit? So that's the outlines there that you see. And you can see this is a dual layer lens. So drill it, melt it, your preference, however you do. If you drill it, make sure you hold it upside down with a shop vac so you don't get shavings all in there. It also has a slight step to it, so you're going to need a little bit of RTV silicone sealant all around here. I prefer to seal mine with RTV sealant when I use them. Something like this right here. This is what we use. Works real good. Don't go crazy with it, but it offers a real nice waterproof connection right through there. So we'll tip this light up. How did I have that before? Like that. Like that. And you can see the two holes. That's exactly where we're drilling the hideaways. Now it is a little bit close to this clip right here. Okay, it does work for the hideaway, but the part of the bumper that slides into that clip is going to be getting in the way. And what we did, we took a look at all the retainers that are on this tail light, and we made an assessment to go ahead and take that clip off. There was a clip here, it fell down behind there onto the floor, but there was a clip here that received that tail light. However, you have a mechanical screw fastener here, a mechanical screw fastener here, you have a friction fastener here, and you also have a body type fastener here. I don't think there's going to be an issue with sliding that clip off right there. The bumper is still nice and solid. It doesn't really hold much. It just got in the way. So little body saw, little hacksaw action, take that clip right out of the way, and then that'll allow the hideaway to slide in, no problem right there. Here's your grommet. Okay, this is a nice soft rubber grommet. Don't tear a big hole in it. Poke a small hole in it and get the wire to feed through, and put a little RTV in there, then put the grommet back. Okay? Inside the car, fairly easy. When you open up that panel right there, you can pretty much see daylight all the way out to the grommet, so it'll be fairly easy to fish your wire from that panel all the way forward, go underneath your trims, all the way forward to your switch. On the other side here, you can see we've taken off the 10mm bolt for the cargo retainer, and we've kind of popped this panel off a little bit, and I'll show you a little bit closer behind that panel. Sorry for all the shaking, doing my best. You got some metal clips. We're only going to pull it out this much. That's it. And that's going to allow us to get the wire chased through here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go down with the wire. We're going to go through here into the spare tire well, over here to join up with the other hideaway. We're going to use our longer hideaway line here, our shorter hideaway line here. We're going to mount the hideaway brain, the little controller box right there. And then we're going to run forward from there with our power control wire. So hopefully this helps you. 2021 Trailblazer looks like this. If you're trying to put hideaways in the back, that's what we're doing. Check out their videos. I'm going to do something on the front of this one as well. Get a nice, easy 4-corner kit for this vehicle, so that way he can pop in and out of job sites and have his amber emergency strobes working for him. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, trucks, bicycles, tricycles, SUVs like this, everything in between.